Hello everyone, welcome to this video. And today I will be going to discuss about the pattern in nature and the world. By the way, I am Jan Cassidy Ayonarao, and before I proceed in this topic, let us know first what is patterns in nature. When we talk about pattern in nature, it refers to the arrangements of structures or things that we observe in our world. So these are the examples of patterns of nature. First is the sunflower. We all know that sunflowers compose of spiral rings or spiral arms. So in order for us to determine the pattern of sunflowers, a lot of mathematicians use the Fibonacci method. Fibonacci method is not just focused on mathematics, but it also focuses in natural phenomena such as the growth of the plants. So they said that this sunflower is composed of two successive numbers. That's also part of Fibonacci method. So in addition, it is 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 5 plus 5 plus 3 is equals to 8, and 8 plus 5 is equal to 13, and 13 plus 8 is equals to 21, and 21 plus 13 is equals to 34, and 34 plus 21 is equals to 55. Therefore, these sunflowers is composed of Fibonacci method, and that is the reason why this is the most iconic patterns of nature. The next example is the spiral shells. As you can see in the pictures, it is one of the most iconic patterns in nature, the spiral shells. Because in mathematics, it has a logarithmic method, which is determined that this shell has a unique spiral shapes. So this shell is composed of mathematics that's called the logarithmic method or sequence. So this spiral shell has a unique shapes, and as you can see there is a different kinds of hole inside of these shells that has a unique patterns in our natures. The next example is the spot and stripe. Spots and stripes is one of the most common patterns in nature that can be found in wide variety of animals like leopards, zebras, and tigers, and also it can be found ladybugs, and beetles. So, in mathematician models, these spot and stripes named after a mathematician named Alan Turing. He called it the Turing mechanism. Turing mechanism describes of how two chemicals interact in each other. He called it the activator and exhibitor. So in order to determine the spots and stripes in nature and use it by the one who have these like animals, they use it to camouflage, communications, and also inanimate purposes. So another example is called symmetry or symmetry in nature. So as you can see in the picture, there is a bird and sunflower, spider web, and also a snowflakes. So when we talk about symmetry, it is all about having an equal and proportionate balance of patterns. So, symmetry in nature is one of the nice and beautiful patterns because symmetry has equal patterns and balanced patterns both in each side or identical when we talk about the pictures or the objects. So symmetry patterns play a vital role in our natures because symmetry patterns we can observe it in everywhere, like looking the birds, the eyes of an animals, and also and the flowers, and to those things that equal in each and the other. So the last picture is fractals. So in our natures, there's also pattern that called fractals or geometric patterns or shape that called fractals. So fractals is coined by Mr. Miller and in 1970s and is some similarity at all scales. As you can see in the pictures, there is branches of trees and fractals of leaves and also the fractals of sunflowers. So self-similarity at all scales is composed and named of fractals and he called it iterations or the self-similarity of something that exists in our nature. So these are the spotter and natures in the world, the Fibonacci numbers of sunflowers, spirals, spot and stripes, symmetry in natures, and fractals iterations. So I believe that the famous philosopher said Rene Descartes that the only thing in this world that cannot be doubted is mathematics. And in this life, as we live in this 21st century, we are already composed in mathematics. And the way we look our surroundings, the way we interact with other people, and the way we see animals, and all the things that in this world is full of mathematics. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned something new about me and about this topic, the patterns and natures and the world. Thank you.